What's up, Habibis? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be very interesting because I've never talked about this before with you guys. We are going to go through 5 products related to beauty and makeup that I never bought, will never buy, or I bought before but I'm never gonna do that again. With the tips of how to save money, not get dragged by the marketing of beauty products. But wait a second, do you see my new bling bling? How cool they are. Camera, come closer. So I have a big surprise for you guys. I teamed up with Ana Luisa. They're a brand from New York and they've sent me these gorgeous earrings that I adore. I'm so happy, especially the cuff. Look at how chic it is. So I teamed up with Ana Luisa to give you all 40% discount. So you may ask, why, Pat? Why did you team up with them? First and most important reason is that when it comes to jewelry, I love to team up with brands that are sustainable and they think about the environment in their product design and production phase. They don't use coloring in their products and they're also packaging, as you can see. Look how gorgeous they are. They're so nice, they're so chic and very minimal. This is what I also love about them. They have a very minimal style and very luxurious, plus affordable as well. So I said, I need earrings, but what should I do? I went on their website, I clicked on the earrings section, I chose what I love. I love little ones, but they can pop at the same time. I love ear cuffs, I'm really into them lately, so I chose the minimal one because that's my style and I love it. So you can see I'm hopping a blazer, I'm rocking it with my earrings. I love them so much because they can be casual and they can be chic at the same time. So they have a lot of different style with many different budgets for everyone. And on top of that, you can enjoy the 40% discount in the link in my description. You can give yourself the best gift ever or a loved one since we have Valentine's soon. Ooh la la! I will enjoy it as well. But the delivery is super quick. I mean, we're talking that I'm in Milan and they're in New York, and within 3 to 4 days maximum, I got my package. Back to the 5 products that I would never buy, never did buy, and would never buy again, related to beauty and makeup. So the first product that I would never buy is the makeup removing wipes. No. It's not for me. It's sometimes they're very expensive, and imagine that you need to use one wipe to remove every time you have makeup on. It's a waste of money, you guys. You have no idea. It's not good for the environment. Second, it doesn't even remove your makeup very well. So what it does is just place your move your makeup from one direction to another. Even if you see makeup on the wipe when you remove them, it doesn't work like any other type of cleanser. So what I would suggest is buy yourself a nice good cleanser for your face. I will not tell you which type because each skin is different. And after cleaning your face, of course, please use a cloth to wipe the water and just tap, okay? You just need to tap. Don't stress your skin or your muscle. You don't need to stress your skin, please. First product is out. No wipes, yes for cleanser and cloths. Woohoo! The second product is the eyeshadow palette. I would never, ever, ever invest in a big palette because I'm not someone first to use a lot of colors. All you need to do is to go to the store, tell the person who is supposed to help you what type of palette that you like. They will also help you depending on your skin tone and your eye color and shape. So I did that, and this is my palette. It's from Natasha Denona. This is the palette I use. I really hope it's showing you guys. So these are the colors that I actually put on my eyes right now. You can see that with a small palette, you can actually do a makeup that is good for the day or also for the night if you add an eyeliner and so on. So this is the only eyeshadow palette I own. And I would never ever invest in a big colored palette. Do not invest and waste money on a lot of palettes, especially that a lot of brands are doing new collection, new this, new that, so no. get a good palette for your eyes and skin, and you will always feel and look beautiful and presentable. Do that. The third product is here. Yes, it's here. So the third product is never invest in too many foundation. I have a powdered one from MAC. I have a liquid one from Clinique, and I have another liquid one from Dolce & Gabbana. Weirdly, the best one for me, which I'm putting now, is Dolce & Gabbana. I don't usually buy foundation from companies like Dolce & Gabbana, Dior, and these stuff. Like, I prefer things like MAC when related to makeup. But this one, actually, I tried it when I was in the store and I fell in love with, and it kicked this one's butt. So the powder suddenly felt weird on my skin. I barely used it. And if I barely use it, it means I don't need it. And if I don't need it, it means I paid a lot of money for something that I don't use. What I really enjoyed about DMG is that it's creamy, and at the same time it's not sticky, and it dries in a way that it leaves your skin like nice to touch. I don't feel like, oh, I have foundation on my fingers after I touch, right? If you want to invest and pay money, invest in a good foundation for you. Powder, not powder, whichever suits you best, but do not buy too many. Buy one and keep it for a whole year and enjoy. The next one is colored mascara. I would never ever invest in colored mascara. I don't like them. I will never like them. I never did like them when I was a kid or teenager and weird. I never put orange on my eyes. No. The only thing I would buy, if it's not black, it's maybe dark blue and dark brown. But for now, I only have one mascara that is good for me, and it's black. You don't see the brand because I use it too many times, but I have the highlighter from Inika. It's the same brand, so since it's gone from here, I'm showing you the brand right here. So yeah, I just need one mascara for my eyes. You don't need to buy too many mascaras and pay a lot of money. Invest in a good vegan, bio, non-tested on animals brand and enjoy. You just need one, maximum two if you want a dark blue or a dark brown. The last product, my friends, is the one and only face tan water. No, I had one sent to me. I threw it away. I'm someone who likes to put makeup on, even if it's a natural makeup on. So if I need to go orange, and it's really orange when you go self-tanning, and then I put makeup on, yeah, no. How, like, can you imagine my foundation on top of a skin like that? And especially that when it starts to go away, you have like batches of a little bit of orange here and your natural skin there. No. It makes no sense to self-tan your face and then put makeup on. You will look weird and kind of cheap. Yeah, you don't want that. Anyway, guys, I hope I helped you with my tips on how to save money when it comes to beauty products. This is what I learned from having a bit too much products from one type, but at the same time I've been very smart when it comes to eyeshadow, cleanser for my face, and so on. So what I really want you guys to take from this video is to make sure that when you go to the store, ask for help. Make sure you choose the right product for you, and you will never need any other product to support it or to sometimes need it because it's stronger or not. If you want to invest in a good brand, please do so. It's your choice. But at the same time, don't invest in too many good brands. Think about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you didn't subscribe, please do so. And comment down below if you have any other tips so you can help me also save more money. And I hope I did help you. Enjoy the discount down below from Ana Luisa, and I will see you next time. Love you!